In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Xero login error code 500 quickly and safely. If you're seeing a 500 server error when trying to sign into Xero, don't worry. This is usually not a problem with your account. It's typically caused by a browser session conflict or cached data that's interfering with Xero's security system. I'll walk you through the exact steps to fix it step by step. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, let's understand what error code 500 means. A 500 error is a server error. In the case of Xero, it usually happens during login when the system detects a mismatch between your saved browser session and its authentication servers. The good news is, this is almost always fixable in just a few minutes. Step 1 is to open a new Incognito or private browsing window. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl+Shift+N. If you're on a Mac, press Command+Shift+N. This opens a fresh browser session that doesn't use your existing cookies or saved login data. In this new window, try going directly to login.xero.com by typing it manually into the address bar. Don't use a bookmark yet. If it works in Incognito mode, that confirms the issue is related to cached data in your regular browser session. Next, we're going to clear Xero-specific cookies. In your regular browser window, click on the padlock icon in the address bar when you're on any Xero page. Then select Cookies and Site Data and choose the option to Manage On-Device Site Data. Look through the list and delete every entry related to Xero.com and login.xero.com. Click the trash or bin icon next to each one to remove them completely. This clears out any corrupted or expired session files that may be triggering the error 500 message. Once that's done, close your browser completely and reopen it. Now there's another important step many people overlook, syncing your computer's date and time. If your system clock is out of sync, even by a few minutes, it can cause authentication failures. To fix this on Windows, right-click the time and date in the bottom right corner of your taskbar. Select Adjust Date and Time. Then click the Sync Now button to make sure your system clock matches the internet time servers. On a Mac, go to System Settings, then Date and Time, and enable Automatic Time Setting. After syncing your time, the next step is to delete your existing Xero bookmark. Sometimes bookmarks store outdated session paths. Remove the old bookmark completely. Then manually type login.xero.com into your browser's address bar and press Enter. Always use the official login URL to avoid redirects that might trigger the error again. Now try signing in again with your email and password. In most cases, this fully resolves the Xero login error code 500. If you're able to log in successfully, you can recreate a fresh bookmark using the correct login page. If you're still seeing the error, try switching to another browser temporarily, like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, to confirm whether the issue is browser-specific. But for most users, clearing cookies and syncing the system clock fixes it immediately. Once you're logged in, you can click on Business Overview to confirm everything is loading properly and that your dashboard is functioning as expected. And that's it. That's how to fix Xero login error code 500 quickly and safely. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more straightforward software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.